Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Step by Step. I am Ying. So today we'll learn to differentiate between a dependent and independent event, okay? So combined events can be categorized as dependent events and independent events. Event A and event B are independent events if the occurrence of event A has no effect on occurrence of event B and vice versa. In other words, event A and event B are dependent events if the occurrence of event A affects the occurrence of event B, okay? So do not worry if you do not understand about this. Later on, we'll look at many examples, okay? So let's go through this mind stimulation tool together. The aim is for you guys to learn to differentiate dependent events and independent events, okay? So box P contains 5 cards labeled with R, U, A, and G, okay? Case 1. 2 cards are chosen at random from box P, one by one without replacement. Write the probability of getting a consonant card on the first time and the second time in the table. So consonants could be R, could be N, could be G, okay? So let's fill in here. The probability of getting a consonant card for the first time is 3/5, okay? Because there are 5 cards, there are 3 consonants, okay? Without replacement. So we get a consonant card for the second time is 2/4, which is 1/2, okay? Then case 2. 2 cards are chosen at random from box P one by one with replacement. The letter for the first card is recorded and it is returned to box P before the second card is chosen. Write the probability of getting a consonant card on the first time and the second time in the table below. So first time, the probability of getting a consonant is the same, 3/5. Then to get a consonant card for the second time, it is still the same, okay? Because after we pick a consonant card for the first time, we put back into the box. So the probability of getting the consonant card for second time remains unchanged, okay? So what is the conclusion made in this case? Let's refer to here. In case 1, the first consonant card chosen is not returned to box P. The short of this first consonant card affected the probability of selecting the second consonant card, okay? So this is a dependent event. Whereas for case 2, the first consonant card chosen is returned to box P before the second card is chosen. So the probability of selecting the second consonant is the same as the probability of selecting the first consonant card, okay? So we know that case 2 is an independent event, okay? So I believe now you have an idea how to differentiate between a dependent and independent event, okay? Let's go through example 2 together. Identify whether the following combined events are dependent events or independent events. Then justify your answer. So part A, obtain a tail twice when a fair coin is tossed twice, okay? So this is an independent event, okay? Because we know that it is a fair coin. The probability of getting a tail in the first toss will not affect the probability of getting a tail in the second toss, okay? Then B, obtain a tail in tossing a fair coin and obtain the number 4 in rolling a fair dice. So again, this is an independent event because the probability of getting a tail in tossing a fair coin will not affect the probability of getting number 4 in rolling a fair dice, okay? Then C, obtain 2 pens of the same color when 2 pens are taken out one by one from a container that contains 3 red pens and 2 blue pens without replacement, okay? So now we know it is a dependent event because the probability of getting the first red pen will affect the probability of getting the second red pen, okay? Because after getting the red pen out for the first time, we do not return it back into the container, okay? Because it says without replacement, okay? Then D, obtain 2 cards with the same letters when 2 cards are chosen at random from the cards labeled with the letters B, A, I, K, one by one with replacement. So this is an independent event because the probability of getting the first card will not affect the probability of choosing the second card, okay? So now we have reached the homework. Go back, you guys will do this self-practice 9.2a, okay? So that all the knowledge that we learned today belongs to you. Practice makes perfect, okay? So if you guys are having a lot of difficulty, you are struggling in completing all this homework, I have prepared an online course for you guys, okay? It is a step-by-step guideline in helping you guys to complete all this homework in your textbook, including the comprehensive practice at the back of each chapter, okay? So coming next, we'll learn to make and verify conjecture about the formula of probability of combined events, okay? So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you do not miss out any of my upcoming videos, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.